Jeff Hansen, Window Warriors Forum. Check us out at windowcleaningwarriors.com. We're going to take a look at a track brush that you can find at Window World Supply. That's windowworldsupply.com. This track brush is similar to your average standard track brushes. Usually they don't get too much different. You know, there's some basics to them. This one we're calling it oversized, so it's a little bit bigger. We'll take a look. So this track brush, you can see it in blue here. It is quite a bit bigger. You know, the bristles are a little wider, they're longer. One thing I like is the bristles are tapered there, and on one end you have a flat piece for like scraping if you're on like vinyl window frames. It was helpful. Then it also has the directional bristles here that are longer on the tip to help pretty much get into corners. So if you're like needing to get into corners, these tracks usually have corners to get into. Again, it helps you get into corners there. And the nice thing about it being oversized, you can do a one swipe of a track here and cover more area at one time. So a tapered design, the end brush is there on the tip, just a different type of a track brush, bigger scraper on the side, and the two different type brushes that are a little bit taller, gets into corners good. Out here, Window Warriors Forum.